Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Philips Multigroom Series 7000 trimmer, and in this video I will show you how to attach and remove this nose and ear trimmer. Okay guys, so in the first step what you have to do, you have to remove this metal trimmer. Okay, so on this stainless steel metal side you use your finger, okay, and then just simply push it upward, okay, like that. So now you can see it is detached from the trimmer, and you can simply remove it. Okay, and then we have to insert this nose and ear trimmer. So on this nose and ear trimmer, if you have a look over here, it has this small part that comes out of it. Okay, so you can see over here this small part. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to insert this part into the rubber side of the trimmer. So simply just gently insert it like that. Okay, so you can see over here it is adjusted, and now simply just press it. Okay, and now it is ready to use. You can see over here I simply just push it downside, and then it is ready to use. And if you want to turn it on, I will show you. So now you can see it is you can easily use it. And to turn it off, just press the button. And then if you want to remove this nose and ear trimmer, simply what you have to do, you see there is a arrow sign. Okay, the top arrow sign over here, if you can have a look. Okay, so just use this side, okay, or the stainless steel side, and then just simply use your thumb and then just simply push it. Okay, so once you push it, it will come out easily. You can see here it is detached, and now you can simply remove it. And to insert back, as I told you, use this side on the rubber side of the trimmer, and then just simply press it. Okay, so guys, this nose and ear trimmer gently removes the unwanted nose and ear hairs. So please make sure that before you are using for your nose, your nostrils are clean. Okay, you carefully insert no more than 0.5 centimeter. You can slowly rotate around your nose, and please clean it after every use. And for ears, please make sure your ears are free of wax. Okay, and you can slowly trim around your rim of ears. Okay, for insert, please insert carefully for no more than 0.5 centimeter, and then you can slowly rotate it to clean all the unwanted hairs from your ears. Okay, so this is really important tool that comes with series 7000, guys. So if you want to remove it, as I told you, use this arrow sign, just push it, it will come out. Simply, if you want to insert this back, you see there is this side which is come out of the metal trimmer. Just insert it into the this rubber side. So you can see over here there is a space for it as well. So simply just insert it like this. Okay, and then just push it, and now it is ready to use. Okay, so this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.